lawyers are busy processing the bail application for Justice Crack. He has been granted bail.
Yes.
And some ridiculous conditions, but they believe that the conditions can be met between today and tomorrow, and he will rejoin his family.
Yes.
He was asked to deposit his international passport, granted bail to the tune of, I think, 2 civil servants, level 15.
Yes.
And also, for 5 million naira, that one requires affidavit of means. So, please, we want to thank all of you. We didn't do this by ourselves alone. It was Nigerians who raised up their voice against the army, the DSS, and their recklessness. And you see that without you, this country would have perished.
Absolutely.
Every effort we are making counts, and we must continue to fight this very monstrous power that Tinubu brought into this country. You now see that when you fight, you can win.
Exactly.
If you don't fight, you
cannot
can't win. So please, let the struggle continue. We invited you here this Monday. They went and pressured the lawyer to say they don't need protest today. But without you here today, the bail would not have been granted.
Yes, sir.
Even those who supposedly don't used to like us, they benefited from us today. It was us that made it possible for El-Rufai's wife to enter the court today to see her husband. So, thank you very much. I'm going back in for my own court case. Revolution! Yes. What's your question, please? Let's go. Quickly. We came for 2 cases. The most important one was Justice Crack. He's been granted bail. Although the bail conditions were ridiculous, but the lawyer said they will work on it. What we had demanded for was the Ministry of Justice to discontinue the case. There was no offense committed, so there was no basis for prosecution. My own case was against Twitter, and we have asked the judge to return the file to the CJ because he has already ruled on a sister case in a way that we believe will affect his judgment in the next case. Yes. Any other question? Yes. They said he's a level 15 civil servant. He has to drop his international passport, and also that the level 15 civil servant must provide rent agreement for 4 consecutive years. They don't even want the level 15 civil servant to progress. It has to be someone who is renting house. You know, these are ridiculous conditions placed in his way. My worry is that even after meeting the conditions, the lawless DSS might decide not to release him, claiming that they want to re-verify, because they did it to me before in 2019. After meeting my bail condition, they said I should go and bring my sureties to the DSS. So I gave them a middle finger. And that cost me another 1 month in detention. And when they finally released me, the next day they came and abducted me here at the Federal High Court. So I just hope the lawyers understand who they are dealing with. But if they don't release him within a reasonable period, we will take action. We are always ready to take action.
Yes.
Even, you know, today the lawyers wrote a press release that we should not come to court. We don't owe the lawyers any obligation to fight for justice. We owe Justice Crack and his family, but most importantly, posterity, to fight to ensure that his rights are not violated. That's what we came here to do today. And you all reasonably did fantastically well. And I'm sure it is because we're outside that he got his bail approved today.
He mentioned that because Justice Crack
I was not in court because the DSS did not allow me to attend the trial. So, but I think we have all gone past that. The bail has been granted. His lawyers have acted on his behalf, and we should move on with our lives.
Sir, as regards your case with Twitter, should the judge refuse to hand your file over to the CGN, what's next?
He can take it home. That's fine. Yes. He has to, but if he refuses, then we'll take it from there. Because we also have another recuser coming from in the criminal matter tomorrow. So we are going to file for him to recuse himself because he was the judge that asked my lawyer to kneel down. And we've told him that that's the worst form of judicial rascality, to ask a lawyer that spent 6 years in law school and the faculty of law to come and kneel down before a judge. I've never heard it before. A judge is also a lawyer. That's a disrespect to a fellow learned, the disrespect to a learned colleague of his. Unacceptable. So that one is also going to be filed hopefully tomorrow. Although he said he has an assignment and he might end up, but he said we should come at 3 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
I have a remark to make. The prosecutors to verify the shooting. You know that his international passport is with the Nigerian army. And why accidentally?
And then passport, international passport.
We deal with army.
We deal with army. So how is that going to be possible? This guy is.
That issue has not been issued.
No, they haven't called us there. They said they asked you to drop the international passport that's already with the army.
I told them, they said I should collect from them. It's with DSS, they'll give it.
It's the DSS.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
We don't want here before. Oh yes, I heard. It's with DSS, I mean. Well done.
It's all right.
No problem. So, but they still took him back, I mean.
No, he's there. They are trying to
Meet the condition.
do all the occasional work.
But self-work not to be.
Sowore is a leader. Sowore. Who is a leader? Sowore is a leader.
Má worry, máa mú.
just to follow up.
How will the matter come before the court? The court should take control of
And other
yes. Now, if court doesn't want army, you understand that you shouldn't have made it as a precondition. You don't understand? It's as good. Because they can't say when they have notified you that the international passport you're acting is the custody of army. And they say it doesn't care. They should go, okay, should they go out somebody with the armless, not with the arms, and so you should go and be fighting with somebody with the AK-47 and they just give me.
Just to apply to vary the condition. ones are liberal.
The major issue, how do you know that